Good morning, Mr. Lee. I'm Dr. Carter, your thoracic oncologist. How are you feeling today?
早晨醫生，我有啲焦慮，我喺病人網站睇咗個結果，但係我睇唔明係咩意思。
Let's go over everything step by step. Your chest CT scan showed a 3.2 centimeters mass in the upper lobe of your right lung.
係癌症定係良性？
Based on the imaging and the biopsy results, it is non-small cell lung carcinoma, the most common type of lung cancer.
有冇擴散去其他地方？
The cancer may have spread to nearby lymphatic tissue, but there's no evidence of distant metastasis to the liver, bones, or brain.
我嘅癌症係第幾期？
You are currently at stage 3A, which means it's locally advanced but potentially resectable.
即係話我做手術切咗就冇事。
The standard treatment is a combination of chemoradiation and potentially surgical resection, depending on response. That means, surgery might be possible, but not right away. We usually begin with chemoradiotherapy first to shrink the tumor and check if surgery is still the best option afterward.
可唔可以講解下放療加化療係點做？
Sure. Chemotherapy uses anti-cancer drugs to kill cancer cells or stop them from growing. Radiation therapy uses high-energy beams to target and destroy cancer cells in a specific area. When used together, they increase the chances of shrinking the tumor.
如果冇縮細會點呢？
If the tumor doesn't shrink enough, surgery might not be an option, and we may need to consider other treatments like immunotherapy or targeted therapy.
你話唔一定成功嘅，咁成功嘅機會率有幾大呢？
Around 30 to 40%.
有咩副作用呢？
Common ones include fatigue, nausea, loss of appetite, sore throat from radiation, and a drop in white blood cells, which can increase your risk of infection. We'll monitor you closely to manage these effects.
我而家係60歲，你覺得我嘅身體承唔承受到呢個治療呢？
At 60, many patients are still strong enough to tolerate treatment well, especially if you don't have other serious medical conditions. We'll run some tests, like blood work and lung function tests, to make sure your body is ready.
呢個治療由開始到結束係幾長嘅時間呢？
Chemoradiotherapy typically lasts about 6 to 7 weeks. After that, we'll reassess and see if surgery or further treatment is needed.
如果放療加化療有效，縮細咗腫瘤，咁就做手術係唔係？做咗手術之後就搞掂啦，就冇事啦，係唔係咁？
If the tumor responds well and shrinks enough, then yes, we'll consider surgery to remove the remaining cancer. However, even after surgery, we still need to monitor you closely. There's always a risk of recurrence, so we'll follow up with scans and possibly additional treatment depending on what we find during surgery. Surgery is a big step, but it's not necessarily the final step.
如果我唔做治療，我可以活幾耐呢？
It's hard to predict exactly how long you'll live. In your case, survival without treatment is usually measured in months, not years, because the tumor will likely continue to grow and spread. It's hard to predict exactly how long you'll live. In your case, survival without treatment is usually measured in months, not years, because the tumor will likely continue to grow and spread. If you choose not to do treatment, the cancer will likely continue to grow and may eventually cause symptoms like shortness of breath, chest pain, coughing up blood, or fatigue. However, we can offer palliative care to help control those symptoms and keep you as comfortable as possible. On the other hand, treatment can extend your life, and while there are side effects, many patients tolerate them reasonably well.
明白。
Do you have any other questions?
多謝你咁詳細嘅解釋，我冇問題，我會認真咁考慮下，亦都會同屋企人商量。你可唔可以打印資料出嚟俾我？
Of course. I'll print everything out for you. Please wait here for a moment. I'll be back shortly with the printed summary. Take your time to think things through, and if you or your family have any other questions, don't hesitate to call me.
多謝醫生，